that means you become aware of your thoughts, you still have your opinions, but yourself isn't in your opinions, which means you hold them more lightly. You are not possessed by your opinions, because otherwise humans that have no awareness, they don't have opinions. The opinions have them. They don't even have thoughts. The thoughts have them. So that the shift is the person remains, but there is suddenly a depth to you that was there all the time. But because of the seductive or hypnotic nature of sensory experience and, more importantly, mental experience, you didn't know it was there. You didn't know the dimension of depth. You had been seduced out of the depth of who you are onto just the surface level of life. Thoughts and brain's perceptions, surface. And it becomes a very unsatisfying experience to live on the surface of life only. Because on the surface of life, nothing is fulfilling for very long. So there's the continuous search.